Hello, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Today's recipe is from the state of UP and it is a puri called Bedmi. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notifications. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's have a look at the ingredients required to make the Bedmi Poori. So the first thing we require is Urad dal. Use the skinned version. I've already soaked this in water overnight. You can soak it for overnight or 6 to 8 hours. Drained all the water and kept it ready. In here I've got green chilies and ginger. I've got whole wheat flour here. Some oil. Salt to taste. Asafoetida. Fennel powder. Amchur or dry mango powder, red chilli powder and coriander powder. Apart from this, we'll also need oil to deep fry the puris in. So let's start making the dish. So the first step is to grind the dal with the green chilies and the ginger into a coarse paste. You can add water if necessary, but make sure you don't add too much water. So I'll go make a paste of this and be back. So I've got the dal paste ready. Let's move on to the next step. Into the whole wheat flour, I have added the dal paste. We'll also add the oil and the masalas, that's salt, asafoetida, fennel powder, dry mango powder, red chilli powder and coriander powder. Now we'll mix everything together and make a tight dough. So first we mix everything together, then add water as necessary. So I've mixed all the ingredients well. Now we'll add little by little water and make a dough. So the puri dough is ready. Now what we'll do is we'll cover this and keep it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, so now we can start rolling the puris. So we'll divide this into equal portions and make pedas out of them. So I've got a peda ready. Let's roll out this into a puri. So let's roll out all the puris in the same fashion. Place a kadai on fire with oil heating up in it. Now let's fry the Bedmi puris. So the Bedmi Poori is ready. You can serve this with some aloo sabji. I've got various aloo sabji recipes on my channel. You can check them out on my playlist. I'll leave a link in the description box below. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to like, share and comment. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.